Reductive objectivists are blinded. If you won't accept the probability of a Chicxulub crater event as relevant to a multi-layered galactic eminent domain conspiracy to evict a native demographic or a figurative and literal land grab, then you never encountered the critters in the Petersburg National Battlefield. The intelligence shown in a very juxtapositional navigation suggests another out of this world conspiracy of coincidental symbolic manifestation, which one would expect in the literal fiction than the supposed reductive objectivism. Or is there a line of descent of cognitive characteristics where the progenitors produce genetic forms and variation, the past, the black hole from which the probabilities for the present and future find confluence?